Alright guys, I'm coming down to the end of it here. I have this last set of hold downs for the bed to install, and I made all this stuff, all this equipment. I just got the piece of plate. I think it's 3/8 and or maybe 1/2 inch, I don't remember. I think it's 1/2 inch, and threaded the rod both ends, and found the bolts, or I should say the nuts, I'm sorry, and now I'm going to install this last bit. So on this one I can set the camera down here, and hopefully we'll be able to see how it's supposed to be installed. So bear with me for the jiggliness. Now this wood block goes up inside the frame to keep the C-channel from collapsing when I tighten down the nuts. I gotta get under here and take a look at something. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna have to go there. Okay. So now install the lower plate. And I'll bring the camera down here so that you can see what the heck I'm doing. And you know, I'm gonna have to wrap this up because now the battery is dead. So all I have to do is install the washer and the nut on the left thread there, and then tighten them down. The bed's secure. And then the next step after this is to work on this assembly.